What's going on, guys? Welcome back to episode 2 of my drift car prep. Today we are working obviously on the E36 again. Hopefully you guys seen my last video was when I put the flares and like cut all my guards up so I could run my wheels with spacers and things like that. Today I need to bring the car in. Firstly, it's like really hot out here. It's probably 35 degrees and a little bit windy, but it's not too bad, but it's too hot to be working out there, so I'm bringing the car into my shed and we're going to work on it in here. I need to jack the motor up off the motor mounts that are on it now and put new ones in. I've got some brand new Condor speed chop bushes that I'm going to put in, which will make the car handle way better. And also I think I might put one of these in, so you can see that that's the Condor Speed Shop solid steering shaft. I had it for the LS car, which is in pieces at the moment, so I'm going to put that into my drift car at the moment and see how it feels, and then once the LS car is going I can put them back in. So what I'm going to do right now is go out, start the car. I haven't run it for like 2 months. I'm going to start it and bring it into my shed. Man, this thing really needs a wash. The big crack. So the car's in the garage, and as you can see down there is my dodgy fix of a spark plug socket with a bolt through it for my motor mounts, both sides. So I drifted a whole track day with that as my engine mount, the whole day. And as you can see, because I didn't use the right bolt, I used to use like a fence bolt instead of like a high tensile one, because that's all I had. It's a little bent. So that one's bent that way, and the other one's obviously bent towards the strut tower. And my whole motor's sitting across on an angle. That's pushed up against the tower. That's all bent. So yeah, we got to fix that. So I got some nice Condor Speed Shop bushes. So I'm going to somehow try and get that bolt out. Probably going to have to cut it, I'm not sure. So then I can put these nice new bushes in. Finally got it done. You can see down in there. Maybe. Anyone? No. Anyways, they're both in. Motor sits nice and straight now. Hose is not kinked. It's not sitting against the strut tower. So, super happy. I'm hot. It took about an hour. And I had to get my old man to help me. What have I got to do now? I got new radiator hoses. The bottom one's got a mad split in it. It's leaking water. I've got no water in the radiator at the moment. And what else? I was going to replace the whole radiator expansion tank and everything. I've got a brand new Mishimoto sitting there and a brand new Mishimoto tank. But I didn't know that the only way you can mount that Mishimoto tank on the radiator is to buy their overpriced radiator shroud, and I'm not paying $350 for a friggin' thermo fan. It's absolutely ridiculous. So the plan is I'm going to try and sell the radiator and the expansion tank. If anybody wants it, hit me up on Instagram, links down in the description. Brand new inbox, and I'll do it for a really good price. But I'm going to buy a new S13 SR20 radiator. They're not a direct fit, but they're pretty close. I just got to fab up some custom mounts for the bottom, and I can modify the radiator hoses, and then it'll fit straight in. So I'm going to order one of those and put that in. So that will be in another video. I was hoping to do it in the same video, but obviously I'm not going to be able to do it because I haven't got it. So what I'm going to do now is just make the bottom radiator how to fit. I'm hoping this is a 4-cylinder radiator. I'm hoping that the 6-cylinder bottom radiator fits. Fingers crossed. So I'm gonna do that. Alright guys, so it's the next day and I finished up everything I was doing last night. I did that radiator hose. I filled it up with water, bled the system and everything. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the car down to Hardy's garage. He's checking the wheel alignment, we're doing some tyres, and we're also getting a brand new windscreen chucked in. So I'm going to drive the car down right now. Alright, so we just got the wheel alignment done. Gav did an absolute amazing job. Just told me all the specs he did it to, and they sounded great. Can't wait to get on the track and test it all out. We're just waiting for the guy at the moment to chuck the windscreen in. He's not here yet, so he should be here within the next hour or so, hopefully. Yeah, that's about it. I'm so keen to drive. Just, the bug's got me. Look how clean it is, guys. Oh, so pretty. Can't wait to just like sticker bomb it. I got like a new livery that I want to do across the top and stuff, and all of my numbers have to go back on. It just looks so clean. Oh, definitely does not match the rest of the car. Alright guys, so I'm back home, and I'd just like to give a massive shout out and a thank you to Hardy's Garage. Gav and Mike down there just do an absolutely amazing job and helped me out so much. They did an awesome job with the wheel alignment, and they got the windscreen done for me and everything, and I just so appreciative. Thank you guys. And if you guys are in my area down here in Victoria in Gippsland, definitely hit up Hardy's Garage. They do awesome work. All your mechanical needs, they're there for you. So yeah, thank you guys. I'm gonna end this video right here. There'll be another one up soon. I've still got a few more things I need to be done. I think there's 1.5 weeks now. 1.5 weeks before Matsuri down at Winton Raceway. So super excited to be driving, and the car's going awesome. Just need, as I said, a few little things and we're all done. So thanks guys, peace.